the garden office build. In this video we're putting on the rubber roof and fascias. If you want to pop back to the start, then a link will be appearing now. With all the walls up, the next step was to put the roof joists on. We used 6x2 C24 pieces of timber. A quick note on this, because I didn't know this beforehand, timber comes in two types, C24 and C16. C24 is a premium piece of wood and can handle higher loads and wider spans. I've used C24 for everything on this build. We extended the joists over the front of the roof to allow for a little bit of overhang. We then added a 1x6 timber as fascia before attaching the PVC fascia. As you can see, definitely a two-person job. I decided to build my garden office with a flat roof. This is mainly to stay within the height restrictions without needing to get planning permission. If you want more info on this, then I'll link to a great video by Ali Dimmock. For my flat roof, we've designed it so that there's a 90mm drop from front to back to ensure the water drains off of it. After some research, it seems to me that a rubber roof is the only way to go. I use a company called Rubber for Roofs and they provide everything you need to install your roof. The rubber is glued to the OSB and then the trim is attached onto the fascia with nails that they also provide. Super easy and I would definitely recommend. I did, however, make a little mistake. I've attached my rubber upside down and I'm hoping it's reversible and that the only downside is that the writing is visible on mine.